Techon Corporation. People from all walks of life. Hello everyone. This is a company called Holcomb. Being an industry leader. Earthquake-resistant scaffolding. Producers. We've always said that. Technological innovation and excellence. Service markets. The company has deep cultivation. Seismic support punching C-shaped steel. Photovoltaic scaffolds, combined scaffolding. Environment support, etc. Core product areas. For buildings, energy, transport. Such industries offer full chain support system. My factory always has it. 3000家 tons of high-quality products. Meeting emergency project needs. Let's get well together. Adequate reserves, superb craftsmanship. Serve with sincerity. Become you trustworthy. A long-term partner.